So today we're going to look at a really easy way to resize a bunch of images at once. I've been looking for a really good way to batch resize a large number of images, and I found this Image Resizer for Windows online, which I love. So you just hit download, and once it's downloaded, you can go to a folder. I'm gonna copy all these pictures. I need to resize them for a blog entry, and I don't want to have to do it one by one. So I'm gonna do Control A to select all of them. I'll right click, and now I have the option to resize pictures. So I'll click on Resize Pictures. I'm gonna do Custom because I want all of them to have a width of 700 or thereabouts. And if I wanted, I could click on Make Pictures Smaller but not larger. That just makes sure that it doesn't expand any pictures. But all my pictures are pretty big, so I don't have to worry about that. So I just click on Resize. And there you go. Now all 44 pictures, just like that, have been resized. All of them that are resized, they just say open parentheses, custom, close parentheses. And you can see, or I can see if I click on it, I'm good to go, and they're all 700. A few of them are a little bit less, but I'm cool with that. I could resize by hand, but I'm good with this. So when I first got it, I thought, is there any loss of quality in image in resizing? Because the file size is obviously a lot smaller. So we're going to test that out. We'll take this picture, Saratoga Springs Dining 1, and we'll go over to Pixlr, which is a great editor, and which is how I used to do it by hand, one by one. So I'm going to open the image. I'll go to image size, I'll resize it for a width of 700 pixels. And I'm going to go ahead and say 100% quality. Best quality I can. And I'll just write resize at the end. And save it. So now I'm going to go back to my folder. And I'll open up the resize version. And I'll open up the custom version that I got from the batch resize. And if I go back and forth, I can see that they're very similar in quality. And any minor difference in quality, I'm okay with that. And to make it a little less confusing, since I've got basically duplicates of these, well, not duplicates, the smaller versions, I can search, find the word custom, and I've already created this empty folder. And I can select all of these and move all of my custom or resized ones into my new folder. And there you have it. I hope this helps you resize a large number of pictures very quickly. Thank you.